The office isn't empty because nobody shows up these days. It's empty because everybody's sitting there just talking to a machine, and it's starting to get really weird. You walk into a modern office now, headphones on, eyes locked onto screens, maybe 20 people in the room or so, and somehow it's completely silent. No random conversations, no lunch plans, barely even a good morning. But that same employee might spend the entire day going back and forth with an AI that remembers their projects, matches their personality, and never acts annoyed. But the scary part isn't that AI became a co-worker, it's that AI might be becoming the only relationship some workers have energy left for. Numerous polls say almost 1/4 of hybrid and fully remote workers experience serious daily loneliness. And look, after deadlines, meetings, commuting, bills, and pretending everything is fine all day, dating feels like another job interview. Socializing feels like another appointment. Basically, the emotional tank is empty, running on fumes. So what happens when the easiest person to talk to isn't a person? AI agents aren't just fixing spreadsheets anymore. They joke with you, encourage you, remember what you said yesterday. Your workstation slowly becomes this private little sanctuary where the machine listens and your actual coworkers disappear into the background. Now, I already know somebody's going to say AI is helping lonely people, and maybe it is. But helping you through loneliness and quietly replacing human connections are two very, very different things. That's the office ghost phenomenon. A building full of people with nobody really there. Are we making work more productive or making workers disappear? Let me know in the comments below.